Are you considering upgrading your home entertainment setup with Apple TV? With so many streaming devices on the market, it's worth exploring what makes Apple TV stand out and whether it's the right choice for you. Let's dive in. Apple TV is more than just a streaming box. It's a gateway to a seamless ecosystem. The latest models, like the Apple TV 4K, deliver stunning HDR visuals and Dolby Atmos audio, making movie nights feel like a theater experience. It's perfect for Apple enthusiasts, offering effortless integration with iPhones, iPads, and Macs through features like AirPlay and iCloud syncing. The intuitive tvOS interface provides access to popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV+, along with exclusive content like Apple Originals. While it's pricier than competitors like Roku or Fire Stick, its polished performance, voice-activated Siri remote, and robust build quality justify the investment for many users. If you're already part of the Apple ecosystem, this device might be your ultimate streaming companion. What are your thoughts? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Title: How to block channels on YouTube. If you're looking to customize your YouTube experience by blocking certain channels, you're in luck. It's a straightforward process. Whether it's to declutter your recommendations or avoid unwanted content, here's how you can do it. On mobile, open the YouTube app and navigate to the channel you want to block. Tap the three-dot menu next to the subscribe button and select Block User. This will hide their videos from your feed and notifications. On desktop, go to the channels page, click the gear icon below the profile picture, and choose Block User. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Confirm it, and you're all set. Blocking channels can significantly improve your viewing experience by filtering out content you don't enjoy. If you found this tip helpful, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.